Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we will be discussing about the relationship between IT workers and IT users. The term IT user refers to individuals who utilize hardware or software products within an organization. These users are distinguished from IT workers, who are responsible for developing, installing, servicing, and supporting these products. Purpose of IT users. IT users require these products to deliver organizational benefits or enhance their productivity. They rely on IT workers to provide and maintain these products effectively. Responsibilities of IT workers. IT workers have a duty to understand the needs and capabilities of users. They must deliver products and services that align with those requirements, taking into account budget and time constraints. Establishing an ethical environment. IT workers play a crucial role in establishing an environment that promotes ethical behavior among users. This includes discouraging activities such as software piracy, inappropriate use of corporate computing resources, and unauthorized sharing of information. Symbiotic relationship. The relationship between IT users and workers is symbiotic, with IT workers striving to meet user needs effectively. They do this while fostering a culture of ethical behavior within the organization. The relationship between IT workers and IT users is crucial in any organization where technology plays a significant role. This relationship can be characterized by collaboration, support, communication, and mutual understanding. Here's a detailed breakdown. Number 1. IT workers provide support and assistance to IT users. This includes troubleshooting technical issues, answering questions, and providing guidance on how to use various technologies effectively. Users rely on IT workers to help them navigate through technical challenges and optimize their use of technology to meet their needs. Number 2. IT workers often conduct training sessions or create educational materials to help IT users understand how to use new software, tools, or systems. This training ensures that users are equipped with the necessary knowledge and skills to leverage technology effectively in their roles. Number 3. Communication. Effective communication between IT workers and IT users is essential for a smooth relationship. IT workers need to understand the needs and requirements of users, while users need to communicate their issues and feedback to IT workers. Clear communication channels help in addressing issues promptly and improving technology solutions to better meet user needs. Number 4. Customization and tailoring. IT workers may customize or tailor technology solutions to better suit the specific needs of different user groups within an organization. This could involve configuring software settings, creating specialized tools or reports, or integrating different systems to streamline workflows for users. Number 5. Security and compliance. IT workers are responsible for ensuring that IT users adhere to security protocols and compliance regulations. This involves implementing security measures, such as encryption, access controls, and regular software updates to protect sensitive data and systems from potential threats. Users must understand and follow these security protocols to minimize risks to the organization. Number 6. IT users provide valuable feedback to IT workers based on their experiences with technology. This feedback helps IT workers identify areas for improvement and prioritize enhancements or updates to technology solutions. By actively soliciting and incorporating user feedback, IT workers can ensure that technology solutions align with user needs and expectations. Number 7. Ultimately, the goal of the relationship between IT workers and IT users is to empower users to leverage technology effectively to achieve their goals. Collaboration between IT workers and users fosters innovation, problem-solving, and continuous improvement in technology solutions, leading to increased productivity and efficiency across the organization.
Have you ever wondered how the IT workers who manage the back end of your everyday technology perceive their world compared to how we, the users, see it? It's akin to comparing the vision of a movie director to that of the audience. Both have distinct perspectives, but they work in harmony to create a seamless experience. Imagine a world where every click, every swipe, every keyboard stroke you make is a command given to an invisible army of IT workers. These silent warriors toil behind the scenes, ensuring your technology experience is as smooth as possible. They see the world in codes, scripts, and algorithms. They are the architects of the digital world, constructing and maintaining the intricate networks that power your devices. To them, every problem is a puzzle waiting to be solved, a code waiting to be cracked. Now flip the coin and step into the shoes of an IT user. You might not understand the nitty-gritty of codes or algorithms, but you appreciate the convenience technology brings to your life. You see the world through user interfaces, apps, and software. To you, technology is a tool that makes your life easier, more efficient, and more connected. You don't have to know how it works. You just need to know it works. But what happens when things don't work? When your email refuses to send, or your software crashes, or your device freezes? That's when the worlds of the IT worker and the IT user collide. The IT worker becomes the unsung hero, working tirelessly behind the scenes to restore your digital harmony, while you wait, sometimes impatiently, for your technology to start functioning again. The perspectives of IT workers and IT users are as different as night and day. IT workers see technology as a complex web of systems and processes, while users see it as a simple and effective tool. Yet both perspectives are essential for the successful operation of our digital world. To recap, this video has taken a deep dive into the contrasting worlds of IT workers and IT users. We've explored how IT workers are the architects of the digital world, seeing technology in codes and algorithms. We've ventured into the world of IT users who appreciate technology for the convenience it brings without needing to understand its intricate workings. And finally, we've looked at what happens when these two worlds collide, highlighting the critical role of IT workers in resolving issues and restoring harmony in the digital world. In the grand scheme of things, the relationship between IT workers and IT users is a symbiotic one. Each relies on the other to function, and each plays a crucial role in shaping our digital world. It's a fascinating dynamic, one that continues to evolve with every new technological advancement.
Overall, the relationship between IT workers and IT users is a symbiotic one, where both parties rely on each other to successfully navigate the complexities of technology in the modern workplace. Through effective communication, support, collaboration, and a shared commitment to leveraging technology for the organization's benefit, this relationship can contribute significantly to the overall success and competitiveness of the organization.